Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you online classes ninth class. Ninth class, I already told you our book divided into two parts. Parts A and parts B. Part A, employability skill. Parts B, our IT. Nowadays, I'm going to start part A, employability skill. In this we have first unit communication skill, second unit self management skill, third unit information and communication technology, fourth unit entrepreneur, and fifth unit green skills. Normally, only book knowledge is not important in life. How we communicate, how we present ourselves in others, this is the way. This is come in the this part. So today I am going to start unit first, communication skill. This is our first unit, communication skill. What is the meaning of communication? Communication is the process of transferring or sharing of information between two or more peoples. It is easy a two-way process of reaching mutual understanding in which participants not only exchange information, news, ideas, and feelings, but also create and share a new meaning. Normally, you are talking in the class with your classmates and your teacher teaching you. This is the communications. Both of you are sharing your ideas, your thoughts. This comes in the communication. Communication means sending a message, receiving a message. It happens between two persons. The scope of communication is not limited to only two or more peoples, not only in two peoples. If we are organizing a big party and someone is standing in the stage and giving the lecture, it will also come in the this. But party is only two. Part A is sender and part B is the receiver. Communication, a two-way process. Communication is a two-way process. Communicating is not merely the transmission of a message, it also includes understanding of the message. In this process, one person is the sender and he all convey a message to another person or a group of person who is the receiver. I already told you in communication we have two parts, part A sender and part B receiver. Normally, whenever you are talking with your classmate, if you are speaking, you are sender. If your classmate is listening, he or she is the receiver. An effective communication is a communication between two or more people where the intent message is successfully delivered, received, and understood. Feature of effective communication. Communication is a meaningful process that involves a sender and receiver while communicating. Both should share a mutual accepted code, common language. Whenever we are talking in the classes, all of you are talking in a common language, whatever they understand. If they understand English, you can talk with in English. A message should be clear. It should convey the right meaning to the others. Listening to others is a very important aspect of effective communication. If your friend is speaking and you are not listening, it means you are not interested. Communication is a process in which there is an input and an output. A meaningful communication results in a response from the receiver. If your friend give the response, it means you got it your output. Importance of communication skill. Effective communication is essential in every sphere of life, be it personal, professional, or social. It includes all the except of visual, auditory, and body language to the appeal to the listener. Now, I want to tell you, communication means not only saying or listening. Communication means send the message. We can send our message through our body gestures also. It will come in the part of communication. We can change our data through our body gestures. Sometimes we are feeling happy and we give them a smile. Impact of effective communication on our lives. It encourages active participation in group discussions and cohesive teamwork. It helps in building relationship with others. If we are sitting in a group and we are not talking with anyone, it means we are not interested in this group. It enables a leader to cultivate a sense of common goals among the team members and drive them to work in a spirited manner. We give them a spirit. Ability to communicate effectively builds your confidence and equips you to respond and articulate aptly in any situation. If you are discussing anything, then you are confident about that. Effective communication help in handling various conflicts or misunderstanding in an organization. Sometimes some misunderstanding happened between someone, then we need to communicate. Effective communication saves time and reduces stress and anxiety level. Sometimes we say if you are feeling nervous, then talk with your friends. It fosters success in professional and personal life. Element of communication cycle. Some communication cycles effect elements is message, encoding, receiver, feedback. Message, we send them. Sender, who send the message. Encoding, our message change in the different format. Communication channel, who, this is the path of sending the message. Receiver, who receive the message. Decoding, after receiving he decode. Sometimes we type hello on our phone. Hello we type in HELLO, but it is not going like a hello in wire through the satellite. It will decode. Feedback, how it is responded. Next part we will read in next class. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.